Nigeria. Amara, una sabi lie. Now so I dey sure say when they bring this country Nigeria, it be like say they just throw lies inside because now everything wey dey related to Nigeria na lie. Imagine this case wey happen now. Police shoot person, newspaper vendor. He can't deny say no shoot am. Meanwhile, in Oga himself don't come outside and testify. Say yes, they shoot. Abeg, who will they believe again? Who will they follow again? Because hey, my people, even me where they bring una this gist, I don't confuse. Imagine the Mr. Femi, yes, his name na Femi. Mr. Femi, I dey very sure say all of una know am. Na him be that. Him don't come outside, come talk say yes. Say some people they disturb in convoy as they pass. So now one of him police person because they shoot gun for head, they throw bullets, you know, to scare them away. But as it happen like that now, newspaper vendor wey dey on your own, so the bullet can't hit that one. Bah. Now they can't wahala conde the police wey shoot can't talk say no, he no shoot am. Why una life just dey? I no even blame una. Una no fit agree before. Una don't see police where they agree. They will never agree. I know they surprised. If una feel lie for Lekki target where even camera dey, where people even video. This one where camera no dey, na una no go lie. I know they surprised. I no dey any surprise at all. Now police say they no shoot. This one say they shoot. Oh, Nigeria politicians. Life factory. Una get life factory. Una get place where they manufacture lie. Any small thing. No, it's not me. It's not who can they do am? Na ghost. No, Nigeria don't get ghosts where they operate for una. Oh, judgment they come. I don't know if una don't notice this thing. Any of my video where they talk about politicians, they mention judgment they come. And una way wise, politicians way as una they watch me. If you wise, you go change. If you wise, you go change. If you like, no change. Now here I go still they bring your matter. Use your head. Anyhow, my people, now here we dey for Aproko show. No time, and don't forget, drop that comment there. I want to know what you think for this matter. This police now where they talk say you shoot this man. What do you think? They supposed to arrest him, abi they supposed leave him?